it's Michaela and you're watching FunsizedStyle. For today's video, it's another Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box unboxing, and I'm super excited to share with you guys this Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box. This Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box unboxing is going to be a little bit different. That is because I had opened this box a bit early. I lost the card that it comes with. As you guys know, it comes with the card that has the brand name of all the products that are included and like a little description of it, and also the price of the product so you know what you're getting with the value of the $21 per month. Unfortunately, like I said, I lost that card and I apologize about that. I will go ahead and insert the prices on the screen, and I'll have all the products linked in the description below for you guys anyways, because as you guys know, this is an old box. You can't get this Glow For It box anyways, but I still like to share with you guys that information so that you know what you're getting for the money that you're paying. So because of that, this unboxing will be a little bit short. I feel like that's okay. You guys could probably use a shorter video since most of my videos are pretty long. So let's go ahead and get into this box, this Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box. I will have a link down in the description below where you can subscribe to Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box for as low as $21 per month, and they have free worldwide shipping. This box theme is Glow For It, so I'm super excited to share with you guys the products that are included in this box. The first product that I pulled out of my Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box is by the brand Cosmakery, and this is the Ethereal. I think that's how you say it, Ethereal. This is the 9 Well Deep Deposit eyeshadows, and it just has 9 eyeshadows, of course. Here's the shades, and let's go ahead and take a look at these shadows. These shadows are absolutely stunning. I love how neutral they are, and you really just can't go wrong with this palette. Perfect for a Glow For It theme, a very natural, neutral palette. So I'll go ahead and swatch some of these shadows right now, but I honestly feel like this palette could be its own video, so let me know what video you guys would like to see using this palette. I'm obviously going to be using it in the corresponding tutorial, the Glow For It makeup tutorial, because as you guys know, I do the corresponding tutorial to go along with this themed box, since it's the only beauty subscription service that I know that gives you products to create an entire look based on that theme. So it's perfect for that, but as I mentioned, I'll go ahead and swatch few of these for you guys to see how they pay off. This is so satisfying. Oh, that is so satisfying. There's some kind of shadow, so I apologize. I need to move my ring away. Let me do that. I kind of fixed the shadow a little bit, but here are what these swatches look like. I think they are pretty good. As you guys know, it's difficult for me to do swatches, and I did about almost half, a little over half of the palette. I really like how these pay off. I know they don't seem as pigmented, but it really was hard to do swatches of this palette for me for some reason, but I will also insert a picture of some swatches to give you guys a better look, because I love Cosmakery. These are actually the first shadows that I've tried from them. I love their products. They're such high quality, and you guys know I love supporting small brands, especially brands that are based in the US, so that is really important to me as well. I also want to go ahead and read you guys the shadow names of this palette, because I think they're just really cute. We have Mimosa, Peaches and Cream, Wish, Ginger, 24 Karat, Boho Pearl, Cowboy, Georgia Clay, and Truffles. There are 9 eyeshadows in here, like I mentioned, but these are only 5 of them. If you guys want a separate video on just this palette, definitely let me know what you'd want that video to look like. I feel like it makes it really complicated when I don't have the card, because I don't have the exact product names, so again, I apologize. So this is an eyeshadow brush. No, this isn't it looks like an eyeliner brush by IBY Beauty. I'll take it out of its packaging, even though I'll be giving it to someone, because I don't know, I feel like you could use this as like a smudge brush for eyeshadow, but I also feel like it's more meant for eyeliner. But here's what the brush looks like. I'll see if I can find the official name of this brush and of course put it on the screen for you. I don't really use these kind of brushes when I do my eyeshadow. I mean, I obviously use eyeshadow brushes, but I don't really smudge underneath my eyelid because, I don't know, that's just not really my style. I just keep all my shadow on the lid. I will save this for somebody that would utilize it more than I would. But you guys know I typically do love getting brushes in my subscription boxes. The next product in this Glow For It Sweet Sparkle beauty box is by the brand Peri, and this is the Ink Velvet Lip Color. This is in the shade Charming Coral. That is crazy. I swear to you guys, I'm not wearing that color today, but looks identical to that, like the exact kind of shade. Today, I'm going for the Glow For It tutorial right now. It looks like I'm, like even the eyeshadow that I have on today kind of matches that palette, even though I utilize a totally different palette. I'm literally wearing like a Glow For It makeup look right now. That is hilarious. Ugh, the fact that I would even wear the same exact lip color, not same exact, but same tone of lip color is hilarious, and I swear to you, I did not plan that. How could I? I didn't know what was in the boxes. Oh wow, this is very interesting packaging. It's like a little dropper. This is really cute though. So we'll go ahead and swatch this. This is so interesting. I do not have a lip color like this at all. I mean, obviously I do like the shade, but definitely not packaging. I even like the applicator. It's tilted angle. Angle is the better word. This is so pigmented. Again, identical to the lip color I'm wearing today, but it smells really good too. I can't get over how identical they are. The one I'm wearing is by the brand Glamour Dolls. I don't even know if that company is in business anymore, but and then this one's by Peri. It's called Peri's Ink Velvet, but then on the back it says Peripera. I'll have it on the screen. I'm really excited to try it out in the Glow For It makeup tutorial. This is a really, really gorgeous lip color and perfect for the Glow For It theme they're going for this box. I was gonna say this month, but it's obviously not from this month. I definitely want to look into this brand and these lip colors to see if they have any more of these and any more shades, because the quality of the product is really nice. I love the packaging. I love the consistency of the lip product, and it's extremely pigmented. So this was a huge win. I really love this product. The next product that I received in my Glow For It Sweet Sparkle beauty box is a mascara by the brand Starlooks. I'm really excited to try this out. This is the Volume Boost Mascara. Let's go ahead and see what it looks like. I've never tried a mascara from Starlooks, I don't believe. Could be wrong, but I don't think I have. The packaging is very interesting. I've never seen a mascara quite shaped like this. I'm actually going to wait to open this mascara until I do the tutorial. It'll literally be tomorrow, but I just don't want to open it until I do the tutorial because I'm literally filming the tutorial the next day, so I'm going to wait to open this until then, just because I have a lot of mascaras open already and I like to use them up before I open a new one, and obviously I won't be using one up tomorrow, but I just want to wait so it's nice and fresh for the tutorial. But I've never seen a mascara packaged like this, but I like it. It's very slim and compact. I'm excited to see how it performs on my lashes. The last product in my Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box Glow For It box is by J.Cat Beauty, and this is the Aura Glow Liquid Highlighter, and there's actually one more product after this, but it's the bonus item, so like it's not a makeup product, because for some reason their bonus items are never makeup products. But this is really exciting, and I'm really excited to swatch this because I have a feeling it's going to be extremely pigmented, and it's going to do the Glow For It makeup tutorial based on the products, or using the products based on this theme. I'm sure that this product will just really make the look, because it'll just make my face pop because I'm gonna shine so bright. It's absolutely gorgeous. It's just so pretty, and it's just this little dropper kind of product that must be like the going trend for makeup products. But let's go ahead and swatch this. Oh wow, the applicator is like really big. So interesting. It's just like this little round ball at the end. That's so interesting. Just as I knew it, that is gorgeous. That is stunning. I'm really, really excited to try this on my face, and just excited. That's like the overall theme for this video. I just know it's going to be a really gorgeous look. It's basically what I'm wearing today, but obviously not using these products. I already love the look that I'm wearing today, and it's so extremely similar. So I know this Glow For It makeup tutorial is going to be gorgeous, and its product is just going to top the look. Just as a reminder, all the products that you will receive in a Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box is always full size. The last product in my Glow For It Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box is the bonus item. Once in a blue moon, they will include a bonus item, and for some reason it's literally always a sheet mask. I have no idea why, but you guys know I'm not a fan, so I'll be giving this away to a friend, but this is the OK Bubble Sheet Mask. Again, if you love sheet masks, this would be a really nice bonus for you, but again, I'm not a fan, so I always get really disappointed when there's a bonus item in the Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box, because 99% of the time it's a face mask. Kind of a bummer, but luckily it doesn't count towards the 5 makeup products. So that is everything for my Glow For It Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box. I'm going to say this month, but this was many months ago. I'm really excited to do the corresponding Glow For It makeup tutorial utilizing the products that were in this Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box Glow For It box, and I'm really excited for you guys to tune in to that video, and I hope that you enjoy how it comes together. I really enjoyed all my products in this box except for the brush and the sheet mask. I normally wouldn't count the sheet mask though because it's a bonus item and it wouldn't be there on an average month. I'm really excited to create this tutorial for you guys, and if you would like to create this Glow For It makeup tutorial along with me, I will go ahead and link all of the products that I received in this Glow For It Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box down in the description below. I hope you guys enjoyed. There will be a link down in the description as well to subscribe to Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box. Even though you can't get this box anymore, you can get the next month box, or whatever month you subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll catch you guys next time.